Welcome to HackSprint DevOps Bootcamp, your gateway to building a strong career in modern IT and cloud engineering. HackSprint provides you with a powerful bootcamp designed to help you gain industry-ready skills, work on real-world projects, and master the core pillars of DevOps like CI/CD, Docker, Kubernetes, cloud, automation, and monitoring. Earn valuable credentials, get hands-on experience, and receive certification opportunities to strengthen your profile, all designed to help you stand out in today's competitive tech world. Whether you're a student, fresher, or a working professional, this bootcamp will help you boost your skills, level up your game, and move closer to your dream career in DevOps. Now, Brian will carry it from here.
If you think learning coding alone is enough to get a job in today's market, you're already behind. Because companies don't just want code anymore. They want systems that actually run, scale, and don't break. And that's exactly where DevOps comes in. Hey, myself, Brian. I've been working with DevOps for around 3.5 years now, and I've seen how things actually work in real projects, not just tutorials. In this series, I'm not here to confuse you with tools. I'm here to show you how systems actually work from start to finish. This is a 4-part series. In this video, we'll focus on the foundation, understanding DevOps, Git, and basic automation. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into Docker, Kubernetes, cloud, and real deployment. So don't just watch one video, follow the full series. This is a 4-part series. In this video, we'll focus on the foundation, understanding DevOps, Git, and basic automation. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into Docker, Kubernetes, cloud, and real deployment. So don't just watch one video, follow the full series. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They think writing code is the goal. It's not. Writing code is just step 1. The real challenge is running that code in production, handling users, fixing issues, and scaling the system. That's where most people fail. DevOps is not a tool. It's not Docker. It's not Kubernetes. DevOps is a system, a pipeline, a structured way to take code and turn it into a running application. Pipeline concept. Think of DevOps like a machine. You put code in, and automatically it gets built, tested, and prepared to run. No manual chaos, no guessing. Everything follows a process, and everything starts with one simple action, a push. When you push your code, you trigger the entire pipeline. No push means nothing happens. What is DevOps? DevOps is a culture and set of practices that combine development, dev, and operations, ops, to deliver software faster, more reliably, and with fewer errors. Think of it like this. You write code, then an automated system takes over to build it, test it, package it, prepare it for deployment. That automated system is called a pipeline. Git. The starting point. Every DevOps workflow begins with Git. You push your code to a repository, commonly GitHub. That push triggers the pipeline. No push equals no pipeline. In simple terms, Git is your entry point into DevOps core pillars of DevOps 1. Continuous integration, CI. In CI, developers frequently merge code into a shared repository. Each change automatically runs tests, checks for errors, validates integration. Benefits: bugs are detected. Early code integrates smoothly. The system stays stable. 2. Continuous delivery and continuous deployment, CD. These processes move code from development to production. Continuous delivery: code is always ready to be released. Continuous deployment: code is automatically released without manual steps. Benefits: faster releases. Consistent deployments. Reduced human error. 3. Infrastructure as code, IAC. Infrastructure is managed using code instead of manual setup. Common tools: Terraform, Ansible CloudFormation. Benefits: consistent environments, faster provisioning. Fewer configuration errors. 4. Monitoring and logging. This focuses on tracking system behavior, including application performance, system health errors and incidents. Benefits: early issue detection, faster response time, improved reliability. 5. Collaboration and automation. DevOps emphasizes strong teamwork between developers and operations. Automation is used in testing deployment, infrastructure management benefits, higher productivity, fewer manual errors, faster workflows. In one line, DevOps is about automating everything, collaborating effectively, and delivering software continuously and reliably. Popular DevOps tools: Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible, AWS, Prometheus, Grafana. Now, instead of just talking, let's actually do it. Let's push some code and see how this works in real life. So first we initialize the repository, then we add our files, then commit the changes, and finally push to the remote repository. Each of these steps is important because they prepare your code to enter the pipeline. What just happened now? Understand this clearly. That push you just saw is not just uploading code, it's actually triggering automation. That's where DevOps begins. Now comes the first real DevOps concept: continuous integration. This means every time you push code, the system automatically checks it. So what happens? You push code, the system builds it, runs tests, and verifies everything works. Tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions handle this. Why CI matters. Without CI, problems show up later, usually in production, and fixing them there is painful. CI catches problems early. That's why it's so important. CI demo. Now let's look at a simple CI pipeline. We define a workflow file, and every time code is pushed, this runs automatically, no manual work needed. Automation loop. This is where things get powerful. Push arrow, run arrow, check arrow, repeat. It becomes a loop. And once this loop is set up, your system starts working for you. Big picture. So let's step back. You wrote code, you pushed it, and automation started. That's the first building block of DevOps. In the next video, we go deeper. Right now, we only check the code. Next, we'll package it into containers using Docker and actually run it. That's where things get real. So yeah, this is DevOps at the foundation level. Not tools, not hype, just a system that works. If you understand this, you're already ahead of most beginners. Now don't just watch, go try it. Even though it may feel complicated, keep practicing and experimenting. All resources are attached below. Keep experimenting with the commands to gain control over DevOps journey. See you in our next video.